This is the TaskWork AI Facebook chatbot system. Simply click on it to explore its features and functions. Here you can access all the chatbot settings and configuration options. You can customize the Facebook Messenger greeting or welcome message by clicking here. You can also select the chatbot's tone and personality from this drop-down menu. Next, you can define the goals and objectives you want the chatbot to achieve. You can add your frequently asked questions here, upload business documents, FAQs, knowledge base articles, or other content here, and configure your lead qualification questions here. All customer conversations are automatically stored and organized within this database. You can view them in gallery, table, or chart view, depending on your preference. You can also access detailed conversation histories, customer information, lead data, and other important records, all stored in one centralized location. Now let's test the chatbot and see how it performs. I will be using a different account to communicate with the chatbot, so we can observe how it responds in real time. Let's start with a simple message. Hello, what do you guys do? We send the message and wait a few seconds for the response. As you can see, the chatbot replies according to the instructions and knowledge you have provided. It responds based on your configured settings and business information. Now let's continue the conversation and ask another question. I run a business. What services do you guys offer? We send the message and wait for the response. And here is the reply. As you can see, the AI provides a professional and relevant answer based on the information it has been trained with. Next, let's ask, how can I get your address and contact information? We send the message and wait for the response. Perfect. As you can see, the chatbot provides the requested contact details, including phone numbers, email addresses, and business location information. Now, let's request the website so we can learn more about the business. Excellent. The chatbot immediately provides the website link, allowing visitors to explore the business, services, and additional information at their convenience. As you can see, anyone can interact with the chatbot at any time. While communicating with customers, the chatbot can automatically collect lead information and customer details based on the questions and workflows you have configured. It can also send booking links, appointment scheduling links, payment links, quotations, or other resources on behalf of your business. This is how the TaskWork AI Facebook chatbot can operate as a virtual assistant for your business, helping you engage customers, qualify leads, and automate customer communication 24 hours a day. If you would like us to show you how we designed the back-end workflows and automations, be sure to subscribe to this channel. If we receive enough requests, we will create a detailed tutorial showing how we built the Make.com automation workflows and the Notion database structure that powers this system. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you automate your business with TaskWork AI.